Imagine waking up to holographic personal assistants, then commuting via flying taxi to your job in a city that spans not one, not two, but 3 countries. Sounds like a sci-fi bestseller, right? Nope. Say hello to NEOM. NEOM isn't just another urban project. It's a staggering $500 billion initiative by Saudi Arabia that promises to be the futuristic city of your wildest dreams, and then some. I mean, any city with its own moon has to be on another level, right? Stretched across Saudi Arabia, Jordan, and Egypt, the vision is to sprawl across a whopping 26,500 square kilometers, which by the way, is about 33 times the size of New York City. And here, size truly does matter. Let's talk tech. Because NEOM is positioning itself as a hub of future tech innovations. Picture this, a city where more robots than humans go about doing chores. A little intimidating? Maybe. Uber cool? Absolutely. It's like the Jetsons, but without the funky hairdos. And about that moon. The developers behind NEOM have plans for an artificial moon. Yep, you heard that right. Why gaze at the regular moon when you can have a bespoke one, complete with nightly shows? Oh, and don't get us started on the glow-in-the-dark beaches. Midnight picnics will never be the same. Transportation, you ask? Well, goodbye road rage. Flying taxis and automated vehicles will rule the roost in NEOM. Gone will be the days of screaming at the driver in front of you. In fact, there might not even be a driver to scream at. True story. Now, while NEOM sounds like a tech geek's paradise, it's also focusing on becoming a beacon of sustainability. Aiming for 100% renewable energy, this city is all set to throw shade, the good kind, with its forests, reefs, and air-conditioned open-air plazas. Trust the desert to show us how to chill. Of course, with great innovation comes great controversy. Critics argue that its grandeur might come at the expense of local tribes and traditions. But then again, isn't that always the conundrum of progress? Beyond the tech and flash, NEOM aspires to be a melting pot of cultures, a global hub of trade, innovation, and creativity. Envisioned as a luxurious living space, think of it as an opulent sandbox where the world's greatest minds come to build the future. Why is Saudi Arabia so keen on this? Diversification. As the world leans towards greener alternatives, Saudi Arabia is hedging its bets and trying to step away from an oil-dependent future. NEOM is their golden ticket to a diversified economy and a name in the global tech and tourism arena. Now, before you start packing your bags to move to NEOM, just a heads up, it's not ready yet. Though the first phase is set for completion in 2025, NEOM is still in its infancy. But when it's done, it promises to be a city like no other, a perfect amalgamation of future tech and luxury. So the next time someone mentions the city of the future, don't just think flying cars and towering skyscrapers. Think NEOM, a city so ambitious, it needs 3 countries to host it. And who knows? In the near future, we might just be catching up over a cup of coffee under an artificial moon on a glow-in-the-dark beach. Stranger things have happened.